So my question first.
Shraddha, from my point of view, is faith in something and doing with something with devotion.
So where is it?
I can't define it one where it is. It is basically whatever I'm doing. It is most of the thing I have to have some Shraddha, whether it is a home commitment or my professional commitment. So like I cannot define it that I have Shraddha in Hanumanji or Ramji or it's everywhere.
Shraddha is like when we do something with devotion, with the pure heart.
What do you understand by word Shraddha, or where is it situated for you?
I would say, like the work that I do, I try to give it full commitment, have good faith in it, whether it's my job at work or whether it's the duty towards my kids, responsibilities. I try to give my utmost devotion to it.
Shruti, you want to go next?
For me, Shraddha is with my creator. My connection to the higher being is my Shraddha. That's something that's unwavered no matter what has happened.
Whenever you do something with mindfully,
That's Shraddha for you?
Yeah.
Sorry, I haven't got any idea on this. Today I'm not able to answer anything on this. I am here listening and trying to get to exactly what.
मुझे भी इतना आइडिया नहीं है। मेरे को अगर वर्ड्स में बोला जाए तो अभी तक जो मेरे को श्रद्धा का मीनिंग पता था बचपन से, तो वही है कि अपने सुप्रीम गॉड जो भगवान जी, उनके लिए श्रद्धा। ऐसा ही अभी ऐसा ही है कुछ माइंड में इससे, क्योंकि बचपन से यही देखा है ना कि मेरे को भी अभी नहीं आइडिया ज्यादा।
Mainly commitment or like a faith, like you be fully devoted to certain work.
Those people who are studying तत्व बोध, उसमें श्रद्धा का डेफिनेशन दिया हुआ है विश्वास ऑन गुरु एंड वेदांत वाक्य. That's actually the technical definition. Your vishwas, commitment to whatever your guru is saying and the Vedant is saying. Vedant from Upanishads basically is called Shraddha. Now, what is the practical application of Shraddha? It's given in Bhagavad Gita. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam. And the methodology, like most of you said, no matter what work you're doing, your utmost devotion in that and love for that. And not only love and devotion while working, but not being dependent on the result of whatever you're doing. A part of Karma Yoga is also Shraddha, that no matter what, I'll do my work sincerely. Whatever the result comes, it comes. Accept that with the prasad bhav. And not getting upset if the result is not in your favor. That's also a part of having Shraddha towards your own work or own actions. So there's no Karma Yogi without a Gyan Yogi. Like how Shruti said, that devotion towards the ultimate is non-negotiable. That has to be built in. You're not working for any human being. You have direct connection with that divine within you, and that's how you're operating. So Shraddha comes not by external motivation. If somebody is running, then you also running. That's external motivation. If somebody is performing, you also perform. So that's competition. Shraddha is the inner competence that comes with your own inner self, that zeal to achieve something too. Suppose the guru has said something, or you have studied something, or you have been assigned a work. Not only having full commitment in that, but also that zeal and openness to reach the end point of that, the culmination of your actions, is also Shraddha. So that is why it is not blind faith. For example, it can be compared to, in a practical sense, if I can say, like if you're in high school and you have to conduct a physics experiment. Everybody has done a spectrum analysis in times in high school. So going to that physics lab and watching that same spectrum, what you have studied theoretically, it's so exciting. Student has that Shraddha. Okay, so it's a combination of devotion, it's a combination of excitement, love, and having an inquiry mind. Let's see what happens, if I do this work. So everything together is Shraddha. So any project that you start, you should have this inquiry mind, a zeal to go through the path, and also excited about the culmination of it, but not worried about it. And that firm conviction comes through your action, not at the end of the action. And your happiness is not postponed when you get the result. Happiness is there, here and now, while doing that action, while that pursuit, no matter whatever you're doing. People do a lot of rituals to achieve a particular goal or do something, and they want to make sure everything is okay, but they're stressed out while doing that. That's not Shraddha. So even while doing any rituals, anything, you have to have same love and openness and happiness and peace inside. Any questions?
आपकी बातें सुन के ऐसा फील हुआ कि कई सारे आंसर्स मिले मुझे ना.
Can you share with us क्या आंसर मिला आपको?
ना मतलब जो आप कर रहे हो उसको अच्छे से करो, रिजल्ट के लिए मत सोचो. क्योंकि मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि भाई मैं बीच में ही छोड़ देती हूँ, आपको पता है ये चीजें, तो लेकिन नहीं छोड़ना, उसको कंप्लीट को एंजॉय करो और रिजल्ट के बारे में मत सोचो।
बट आई जस्ट पॉज यू हियर। रिजल्ट के बारे में सोचना नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है। रिजल्ट के बारे में सोचना है, क्योंकि रिजल्ट नहीं सोचेंगे, हम एक गोल लेके चलते हैं, दैट इज अ रिजल्ट, राइट? रिजल्ट की चिंता नहीं करनी है, सोचना
चिंता नहीं।
डिफरेंस है, राइट? चैप्टर 2 वर्स 47 है, कर्मणि एव अधिकारस्ते मां फलेषु कदाचनम। आपका कर्म पे ही आपका अधिकार है, फल पे अधिकार नहीं है। फल जो आ रहा है ईश्वर की तरफ से आ रहा है। अपना काम सिंसियरली करना है, विथ फुल डिवोशन, विथ फुल लव। फल के बारे में सोचना है, बट उसमें डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना इमोशनली। श्रद्धा है, जैसे आपको गुरु ने कुछ बोला करने के लिए, आपने कुछ सीखा अच्छा कहीं से, उसको पूरी तरह एब्जॉर्ब करना, पालन करना उसका निष्ठा से उसका पालन करना इज एक्चुअली श्रद्धा। 100% कन्विक्शन फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट टू द एंड is called Shraddha.
Thank you.
You're welcome.